friends, welcome to my channel. This is a really cute look that I did today for you, inspired by this painting right here that my sister made when she was in college. I always really loved it. I put it right there in my beauty room because I just think it's so creative and I love it so much. I love all the colors that she used in here. So if you would like to know how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. At the end of the video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for new videos. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to start with my eyebrows already done. I'm going to prime my eyelids with some concealer and then set it with some setting powder. You always want to prime your eyelids so that the colors you use pop even more. I'm going to use this that comes with the Maybelline loose powder to just set the eyelid. So I'm putting some tape on to help me get a sharper edge for my eyeshadow. So I'm going to take this hot pink right here, the second row, and put that in my transition very lightly. I don't want it to get all over, so I'm just going to put it lightly. Okay, so I'm taking another brush and I'm going to take this purple right here and I'm going to put it right on my crease. We're going to go back with the transition shade just a little and blend it out. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Sand and I'm going to cut the crease halfway, like right there. Okay, now that I'm done with the concealer, I'm going into the Aurora Lights palette right here, and I'm going to take the shade Magnetic, and I'm going to put it all over where I cut the crease. Okay, now I'm going to use the same brush and go into the shade Polar in the Aurora Lights palette, and I'm just going to put that in the beginning. Okay, so now I'm going back with the purple and I'm going to blend out the purple that I just put earlier and the purple glitter together. Okay, so now I'm done with my eyes. I'm going to start with my face. I'm going to use the Black Radiance Shine Control Primer. I'm going to put that all over. So now I'm just going to put my foundation on, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in 338 and 340. So now I'm just going to blend all of that in with a foundation brush. Okay, so now that I'm done blending my foundation, I'm going to take my contour brush. with my Black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark. And I'm going into the contour shade, and I'm just going to contour my cheekbones, my jawline, and my forehead. Now I'm going to highlight my under eyes, under my contour, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. And I'm going to use the Ruby Kiss by Kiss concealer. Okay, now I'm going to blend it all out with my beauty blender. Okay, so I'm going to go back with my contour, and I'm going to blend it out to get rid of that harsh line. I'm going to take my nose contour brush and just lightly blend the sides of my nose. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline loose powder and bake my face with it. Times where no shine as bright as you. Oh, it's what you do to me. Now I'm going to take my big powder brush and just dust away all of that powder. Okay, now I'm just going to take my blush brush and my Nouveau Neutrals palette and just go into the blush right there. It has a little shimmer to it, which I like. I'm just going to put that all over right here. Now I'm going to take my highlighter brush with the Glow Kit and just go into bronzed and just put that all over. Okay, so I put the eyeliner on the bottom waterline. I'm going to put the purple on the bottom waterline. Okay, so I took the lip gloss off. I'm going to outline my lips with some brown lip liner. And then I'm going to use a pink lip liner to fill in my lips. And then I'm going to put some lip gloss on. So the look is basically done. This look was inspired by this painting. I was like, I'm going to film today, but what should I do? And then I saw this painting right there, and I'm like, let me just mix these colors together and make a really cute look. And that's what I did. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'm going to give y'all some slow-mos right now. Okay, ready? Yeah, so this is end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. I do plan on posting every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. So those will be the days that you can come back to the channel every day after 5, because that's when the videos will be posted up. And please remember to stay real.